Here's how to avoid Amazon scams, including fake emails, fake calls, and phishing attempts. Scammers often send fake Amazon emails claiming your account is locked, your order is delayed, or there's suspicious activity. Real Amazon emails never ask you to provide your password or payment information. Always check. The sender's email. Official emails end in @amazon.com. For misspellings or strange links, whether the email pressures you urgently, scammers love urgency. If the email looks suspicious, don't click anything. Instead, go to Amazon.com directly and check your notifications. Amazon will never call you asking for your password, verification codes, credit card numbers, remote access to your device. If someone calls claiming they're Amazon and they ask for sensitive info, hang up immediately. You can confirm any real issues by visiting your account, login, and security on Amazon's website. Scammers also send texts that say things like, "Your Amazon package is held, click here to verify," or "Your account is locked, tap this link." Never tap links in unexpected texts or DMs. Instead, open a browser, go to Amazon.com, check your orders. If you didn't order anything, the message is fake. To protect yourself, enable login alerts and two-step verification. Go to Account and Lists, Login and Security, two-step verification. This prevents scammers from accessing your account, even if they know your password. If you receive a suspicious message, forward it to Stop Spoofing at Amazon.com, then delete it. Reporting scams helps Amazon shut them down faster. And that's how to avoid Amazon scams and keep your account safe.